My name is Divya and I come from Himachal Pradesh, and I came here to learn acupuncture. It was a 3 months short run course, and I was inspired by Dr. Norbu, who lives very close to our place in Himachal, and he has been practicing this for last 25 years and has done a diploma course of 3.5 years from the same institute, Dr. Kotnis Hospital and College. And Initially, I was a bit apprehensive about learning acupuncture in just 3 months. I was wondering if 3 months are enough to learn a science like acupuncture. But after coming here, and especially in when we have formal lectures of only 2 hours, so every day we have a class of human anatomy and a class of acupuncture, an hour long session each, and other than that there are learning beyond the classrooms as well. So um, initially it took me some time to adjust in the atmosphere here, but yeah, I find it very fruitful in the end. So if I tell you in brief, the initial first month we learned about the different organs and how they function together in our body, and how each organ in our body is connected with another organ, and internally, externally, they are deeply connected. So their functions and how they work on our body through various ways, and it was very interesting for me to learn all those things. And then the second month was mostly about how to diagnose a patient and how to find out the kind of problem or the challenge that the patient is facing, and how do we diagnose it in acupuncture. Diagnosing any disease in medical science is a different thing, and diagnosing it in acupuncture is a different thing. That was very much insightful for me to learn and know that how we do the diagnosis part. And then the third month was more about the application part of these. We started learning with the meridians and the energy roots on our body surface, and internally they are connected with our organs. So we started with that, and now later on we learned about different points in those meridians, which are very important and significant points, which are commonly used in different syndromes and diseases. So the third month was more about applying those points. We, with our colleagues, we were doing practicals by inserting needle onto each other and seeing what kind of impact, what kind of sensation, or what kind of pain the needles will make on our body, and what kind of electric current that we talk about we are going to feel when we insert a needle. So we did that on each other, and then we were asked to observe patients as well in the OPD, how the patients are being treated and how they are receiving treatment for different disease. And then we were asked to connect how the symptoms or the disease that the patient is having, and what kind of different points have been used by the doctors here who are doing the treatment. So it was quite helpful to gain confidence in terms of in terms of the treatment that should be given in a particular disease's case, or in case of a particular diagnosis. So I feel privileged to be here and to learn the science of acupuncture and the art of acupuncture. And I'm very grateful to all the staff in the Dr. Kotnis Hospital, especially Dr. Inderjeet sir, who has been very kind and helpful in solving all our queries regarding acupuncture. Dr. Raghubir, who helped us in our practicals a lot, and Dr. Khurana, who helped us understand human anatomy, which was a new subject for me, and the way he taught was very simplistic and very easy to understand. So I'm very grateful to all my teachers who have helped me in this journey. And like any other journey, I had my ups and downs, but all's well if ends well. So yeah, and I will continue this journey of learning acupuncture. I think my curiosity has not yet ended, and I will continue to learn and explore more in this ocean of acupuncture. Thank you very much.